Hi, one and all. Welcome to the first episode of Modeling Monday series. In today's episode, we will cover what is machine learning, modeling introduction, types of machine learning, modeling prerequisites, next steps. We have a lot to cover today, so let's get started. The first topic for today is what is machine learning? Machine learning is simply the study of computer algorithms that improves automatically through experience. It is also seen as a subset of artificial intelligence. Actually, it is more closer to data mining as well than artificial intelligence. With the help of machine learning, we can actually make prediction with more formal approach. To explain this, let's see into the example. By the way, just for heads up, I will use a very simple, relatable, real life example for our discussions. But for some reason, if you have any questions about it or need a different example, please feel free to comment and let me know. I will surely respond. So in today's example, let's say a guy visited a IT park and wondered what could be the salary of the officials working here. With that thought in mind, he decided to collect the data individually from each person. The parameters which he chose is, of course, salary, age, company name, years of experience, years of education, and so on and so forth. By the way, in data collected, salary is primarily the output or Y, and all other parameters are input or features or X's. This is the common modeling terminology. For starters, he decided to see how salary is related to the years of experience they have. This can be done by plotting years of experience versus salary. With this thought, he can easily fit a line. Also, he can probably make the cluster in groups like this. But what if a new data point comes in? He should be in a position to predict the salary easily, and this is simply put what modeling is, and there ML and modeling will help him. With the exact function, now he's sure based on the years of experience, he can predict the salary of a person for the same IT park. Of course, with certain accuracy, let's say 80 or 90%. Accuracy range is very important, and that is how we can say how accurate a particular model is. Modeling is the integral part of machine learning. Therefore, before we discuss modeling in detail, let's see types of machine learning. Number 1, supervised machine learning. In this, we ideally should have structured or labeled data in which we can easily identify what are our inputs or X's and what is our output or Y's. Unsupervised machine learning is on the other extreme, where we might have unstructured, non-labeled data. This may be primarily to find our Y's or output, what we are trying to make out of that data. Example of unsupervised machine learning datasets are huge data logs which are not labeled, like mobile and tower pings. By the way, a fun fact, each of our mobiles actually generate roughly 1.5 GB of data every day just by these tower pings, nothing else. A lot of similar datasets actually exist in real life, but we are not sure how we can make information out of these. Hence, unsupervised machine learning is very important. Finally, we have reinforcement or cognitive machine learning. These are the self-learning models which machine learns by itself based on the experience. A good example would be self-driving cars. Once they find a blocker in the first go, in the next iteration, it is very clear for them whether to stop there or take a U-turn. Say that as a prerequisite for data modeling, we ideally should have completed at least two steps. First one is data collection In our example, it was done manually, but there are a lot of formal information or data sources out there like Kaggle. Second is data exploration. This is to see what kind of machine learning we need to apply, whether it is supervised or unsupervised. This is briefly the introduction of model for today's episode. In the next episode, we will discuss softwares, languages, and related installation, which is very important, required modeling. Subscribe, and if you like the video, please use thumbs up button. See you next week where we'll be proceeding with the installations. Thank you.